Hello there, welcome to my 2SourceFort PEGA world. So this video I'm going to show how to create a new application in PEGA platform. It's a PEGA personal edition. So first of all, first simple idea is you can press this option like build application under the welcome to PEGA platform node. So first you need to come to the Dev Studio, then press build application option. That's one method. Our second method is same thing, back to the Dev Studio and choose just back to the Dev Studio and choose something called application and PEGA platform. Under that we can find out something called new application, so you can choose that option also as a new application. Then you need to start everything with a scratch. If you have any types, or if you have any already predefined application, you can choose that option, but here I am going to create everything from the scratch. So just press the build from scratch. So there are three types of the UI are available, like a theme, Cosmos, and theme UI kit. Is a theme UI kit is a traditional method, and Cosmos React is a recently they are introduced. But in my case, not only, most of the time it's suitable for choose the theme Cosmos. So I'm going to choose these Cosmos is a recommended also. Please read the description about that, and it's might be helpful for you. So just select theme Cosmos. So next step, you need to naming your application. After that, so I'm going to put as ABC my application name. So then we need to some advanced configuration steps. So just open the advanced configuration option. So behind that we can see the version of our application and application name, organization details. So application structures is basically we need to select as a implement, because we are going to implement the application, not for the framework. So defaultly select as a implementation. Then we need to consider important thing is the organization name. So organization name is a very important. Into the PEGA we always consider about the naming pattern. So please follow some best practice for the naming. So I will try to upload that details also upcoming videos. So here I'm going to put my organization name as a my org. If you have any organization name, then put it as a good name. Then under the class layer also they have something called organization. That is, so under that also I'm going to put as a my org. So organization, that's text box only take as only 6 character of the input. So mind that things also. So I put 5 character naming for organization. Then just put serve. So otherwise don't change anything. Okay, for the that's a division name or unit name, don't touch anything. Just change the organization name only, then serve it. So just create our application. So just create. So after this step, this is a very important step for creating. So while we are login the PEGA personal edition's first time, we need to input some username and password, something called administrator at pega.com, and password is the installation, right? So same thing for the other application, we need to create some username and password. So likewise we need to create the username and password over here. So congrats, ABC has been configured and now ready to use. Optionally we need to add user, so I'm going to use full name. For that I am going to create as admin at abc.com for my email address. So automatically it's generate a new username, new password for our username. So just I'm going to create my my user name as under the Cosmos author. I already share you that it's automatically generate the new password for us. So it's generate some password. I am going to serve this username and password some in Notepad, so then I can use it. So just add use the send the invitation button below the email and new user their username and password. If you wish you can invite, but in my case it's no need to the invite. I'm going to serve my username and password in separately. So then I can press done button. So after that I need to log out this administrator PEGA, because I need to reopen, I need to open my new application that's called ABC. So just I'm going to lock off my administrator PEGA. Just choose log out. So after that, I already serve my new username and password. I'm going to input my new username and password as a admin at abz.com, and password is something called this. Just copy and paste it out. Yes. Just log in. So first time if you use some application is going to require some you need to reset your password, or you need to create new password. So in that case, I am going to use current password is a auto generate password as a current password. I am going to put some new password, something called PEGA123. That depend on you. You can put any password of your new password. So it's a very simple. It's a demo application. That's why I use PEGA123. So then you can serve it. So after this change password, you can completely see your new application in PEGA platform. Okay. Yes, this is our new application. Application name is ABC. Okay. So first we are going to check what is our that's called hierarchy. What is the hierarchy of our application? So for that we need to go to the Dev Studio. Just move to the Dev Studio and then press the app button, app option, then App Studio. From the App Studio to Dev Studio, then we can choose apps. So under this we can see that is our classes. My org is my organization name, ABC is the application name, it's a work. Okay, that's the organization name, application name. So please make sure that you need to create the meaningful and follow some rules and regulations. So while creating a new rules or new application, new names, anything for the PEGA, you need to consider the naming pattern. Okay, that's all about this video. I hope you can enjoy this and you can get some idea about the creating application in PEGA platform. If you have any question, please feel free to add in the comments, or you can send to my any questions, inquiries through the emails also. And thank you guys. Take care. Bye bye.